Scratch Challenge Week 49. Welcome back to Scratchin'pete PA. Today I will be scratching Jolly Jackpot. This was the winning ticket from last week's vote. If you want to vote for next week's ticket, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and you can vote there. And then on Tuesday, I will scratch the winning ticket. So the Scratch Challenge is almost coming to an end. We only have a couple more weeks to go. We're still down, and we're still looking if we can make a little bit of profit here and hopefully make a comeback and win the challenge. So we'll see if we can get on the winning streak here. And maybe it starts with this ticket, Jolly Jackpot. All right, it's a $3 ticket. The prize payout is 64.98%. The overall odds of winning is 1 in 3.69, and the top prize is $75,000. So let's scratch our lucky numbers first. We have 44, 24, 33, 17, and 27. All right. 39. Nope. 12. 34. 37. 47, 43, one off, 36, no, we have 33, 8, no, 48, no, we have 44, 23, one off, 18, one off, 9, 17, we have a match. We match number 17. All right, we'll get back to it and see what we won at the end here. Let's see if we can find another match. 7, no. A 2, nope. 41. 46. 4. 40. And 38. All right, so we'll get back to this 17 in a minute. Let's check out the bottom here. Here's our bonus number. Let's see if we can match our bonus number. 5. Nope, no 5. Okay. Let's check out this game here. We have to match 3 symbols. We have a candle, a sled, and a drum. How much was this? 30. Okay. Well, we have one match. Let's see if we can get something big here. Number 17, what is it? It's a $3 win. So we got our money back. No big profit on this one, but we didn't lose anything either. And we will continue next week. As the weeks get lower in number, we'll see if we can pull out a few wins to end the year. And who knows, we might be able to come back and win our Scratch Challenge. It's going to be very difficult, but we'll see how it goes. Coming up next, we have Pete's Pick. And this will be one of the last Pete's Picks in this series. The series will be, I guess, coming to an end, unfortunately. But we have a couple more great content creators to feature this month, and one of them is coming up right now. It is Shannon B. This is Brown Girl Bella.